How can I use video to build trust and get clients? Good. This is my favorite topic, video marketing. And I've been doing this for myself, so I can talk about my own personal experience, how we have built up our business with the use of video marketing. So, first of all, it doesn't need to be complicated. You got to get over the concept or the feeling of, oh, I don't like videoing myself. I hate watching my own videos. I don't like this how I sound on the video. Well, you're not sitting there watching your own videos. Other people are. So if you don't like watching your own videos, just shoot it, give it to your video editor. Yeah, watch it once to make sure everything is fine, and then upload it. You don't need to be sitting there watching your own videos. The simplest, easiest, quickest way to start with video marketing is start by answering short, frequently asked questions. So go to Google or any of the search engines, ask them a question about your niche or your market, how to lose weight, how to get fit, how to get six packs, or whatever it may be. Answer those common customer questions on camera. It builds authority and saves time on repeated queries as well. And going live stream like this is even better because you're in a live environment. There's no hiding place. So if somebody sends me a question and I'm trying to answer it, I will answer them to the best of my knowledge and ability, and that also builds up that trust. And people see you as an expert in your niche. That wow, this guy is or lady is doing all these Q and A's, and he knows his stuff. The other thing I would say is use captions and hooks in the first 3 seconds. So use captions throughout because a lot of people are scrolling on social media with the sound off, right? So captions are important, and the hook it got to be in the first 3 seconds. It's really important because people are scrolling fast. So you got to get that attention instantly and make it easy for them to stop the scroll and unmute the video. Another one would be, I would say, show, don't tell. Demo the products, do a workflow, show behind the scenes, or show customer results. Proof always beats promises. Um, Add a call to action at the end, always. What do you want them to do? So don't let them leave without telling them exactly what you want them to do. Book a free call, get the guide, download this, watch the video, subscribe to my channel, all of this stuff. And then the last thing is repurposing the videos across every possible platforms. You've done the work once, why wouldn't you repurpose them? So from one video, you create shorts, reels, TikToks, LinkedIn clips, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And as I said earlier on, from one video with 10 questions, potentially, well, not potentially, it is 10 more videos for me. So all I would do is my team, and I'm lucky enough now to have a team. But I used to do this all by myself in the beginning. It used to take me a fair bit of time, but it was well worth it. And I would advise you to do the same thing. Learn the process, set up your systems, SOPs, and then start hiring people, and then turbocharge your workflow.